guys, welcome back to my channel. I really went ahead and did my eyebrows. Moving into this James Charles palette, I'm going to take the shade 518 and place that in my transition area, the area just below my eyebrow. Moving on to my Milani Gilded Gold palette, I'm going to take the shade Eden right here and just place that below 518. Also going to place that color in my mid to outer eyelid as well. Just focus it on those 2 points because that's where the color is going to show the most. And I'm going to really pack this color on because this color is going to be like the staple in this look. This color is like the pop of color. And once I'm done packing this color on, I'm going to take the trick I showed you guys in my last video, and I'm just going to take my Vaseline and a Q-tip and outline the area that I want to erase, and I'll just wipe it off with a napkin. Once I'm finished erasing that area, I'm going to take my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 4 and just set this part of my eyelid because this is my cut crease area. Once I'm done setting both of my eyelids, I'm just going to apply some setting powder on them both. Moving on, I'm going to take my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette, Armed and Gorgeous, and I'm going to take the shade Coin and place that on this area that I just set.
Oh, that's pretty.
As you can see, I was pleased with the outcome, but you want to make sure you really pack this color on, because although it is very pigmented, you just want every area that you just set to be covered. You don't want any gaps or any spaces showing your concealer underneath. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with the Q-tip and Vaseline and just erase a little bit of the gold area, because I am going to place black gel liner right there. I'm going to take the P. Louise Bata Black eyeshadow base and just line the area that I want to pose as my eyeliner. And then I'm going to also set this area with some black eyeshadow. I chose to use my Morphe Jet Black Gel Eyeliner because I wanted to create a very thick and defined line so that it would be very bold. And once that's done, I'm going to smoke this eyeliner out with some black eyeshadow, and then I'm going to move on to creating a gold line to split the gold cut crease and the black gel liner using my NYX Glitter Goals eyeliner. And don't worry, all the products that I use in this video will be linked down below in the description box, so you can just look down there and see whatever product you're looking for. And that completes the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this look. I'm just gonna apply some foundation and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is how my foundation looks. I am just going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. I'm going to take my Danessa Myricks highlighter in the shade Heat, and I'm also going to take my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Trophy Wipe and just apply some highlight on my cheeks, my brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. Hey guys, and that is it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I also would like for you guys to turn on your post notifications so that you can never miss a video upload. Each time I post a video, you will be notified if you turn on your post notifications. Just click that bell.